This is a mechanical model. The box includes 2 swing speed hinges, 1 latch speed hinge, and all component parts. You will see tension control on one end, swing speed and latch speed on the other end. The arrow points to neutral. Increase tension by turning arrow to greater numbers. Release tension by pressing down. Turn to desired lower number. Adjust swing and latch speed by tightening or loosening the speed control hex nut. Turn toward negative to decrease speed. Turn toward positive to increase speed. Fix by tightening the lock and screw.
Adjust tension control on top end with a 5mm hex wrench. Turn arrow to greater numbers to increase tension. Now open the door to the 90-degree. Door will accelerate and slam. To fix, adjust swing speed by turning toward negative. Open door to 90-degree and close. Notice slower swing speed, but latch speed remains fast. Door will slam slightly. To fix, adjust latch speed by turning toward negative to decrease speed. Open door to 90-degree. Door now closes smoothly without slamming. One final step. Use a 3mm hex wrench to fix the settings by tightening the lock and screw. Door slams avoidance done.